gas that even lawmakers are not protected from the. So we're offering for 30 million to those who can provide information and lead to the arrest. So, karinig ko yan, sabi ko rin, okay. Sabi ko, 20 ako. Kasi butal 30. I'll make it 50. I'll give 20 million. Di, siyempre, 50 million. Itong pulis ang bilis na. Wala pang 24 oras, huli na lahat. Alam ng pulis. Alam ng pulis yan, malaman nila.